Hi everyone, so welcome to my channel. So in this video over here, I have the Japanese Suntour Honor, and hopefully the camera will focus here on a Suntour Honor logo. But the main reason why I'm doing this video is that I want to show you the shifting performance of this derailleur from the late 1970s. Now keep in mind, I've been reading a lot of textbooks on cycling, and apparently what they're saying that at the 1970s and early 80s, Suntour actually surpassed Shimano when it comes to shifting performance, the quality, and all that bang for your buck, how much you pay, how much you get. So having said that, I'm gonna just go and demonstrate shifting performance so you can see what I'm talking about here. And I think you're gonna find this pretty useful. So now, let's start spinning. Let's start spinning. And you guys can appreciate how smooth it is. And now let's start shifting. Okay. Hopefully the lightning is good. Okay. Beautiful. Now I'll let you shift on a cog, and I'll let you how quiet it is. I just love it. Now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna come up and I'm gonna come down, so you can appreciate this beast. Okay, here we go. Beautiful. All the way to the top. Beautiful. Again, I'll let you hear how quiet it is. Very, very nice. Okay, now let's come down. Beautiful. Now keep in mind, this is like you have probably noticed, friction shifting. So you gotta kind of feel it. You gotta play with it to get it to be quite quiet. So again, I'm gonna bring it down into the faster gear. Boom, that is impressive. And I'm gonna bring it again all the way down, and I'll let you hear. Beautiful. How nicely it shifts. Now I can go one cock down, but everything was adjusted, everything works beautifully. But this is enough for you guys to show you what the Suntour Honor is capable of doing. Again, hope you found this useful. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Take care.